How to add hashtags on TikTok after posting. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Let's go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, let's head over to our profile right here. Now, say for example that you have posted a TikTok video and now you want to change or add hashtags. Say for example this one. Baby, show me. Now, what you need to do is you need to click on the three dots at the bottom right, these ones right here, and scroll the bottom list till you find the edit post option, which is this one right here. Now, I will get to why this is disabled right here in a second. So once you find this button right here, just click on it and it will take you to a page like this one right here. Let me show you. It will take you to the page like this one where you will be able to add hashtags. See for example, for your page, motivation, etc. And once you are done, you can just click on save and the hashtags will be added. Now, why are this option disabled right here? This happens if the post has been posted uh, longer than a week ago. So if more than 7 days have been passed since you have posted the post, you will not be able to change the hashtags. Also, you can only change the hashtags once per day. So if you have changed the hashtags today, you will not be able to do it again till 24 hours has been passed. So that's why you might see that the edit post option is disabled. So keep that in mind. So in order for you to change the hashtags, make sure that you do it once a day and you do it before 7 days has passed. Otherwise, you will not be able to add them or change them after you post your video. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add hashtags on TikTok after posting. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.